So today I'm finally going to be sharing with you guys a little bit of a house update. This is sort of going to be a home haul too because a lot of these things we recently purchased. So I'm going to just kind of take you guys around. Well, Joshua's going to follow me with the camera and show you guys everything that's new or that we've updated. I feel like I'm trying to get like the bones of the house exactly how I like it before we start adding a bunch of other stuff, so that way I know it kind of like goes together. I know I've been taking forever to make decisions, but I don't know, I have a hard time making decisions. But you guys in the comments and all my other house updates have been so helpful, giving me so many great ideas, and I feel like things are really coming together. So let's go ahead and get started. This room I've been working on for a while because this table right here is one of like the first big furniture pieces that we bought for our house. So I was like, I'm just gonna try to get one room done. Still have not got this room done, but we're getting closer. So as you guys can see, we put up new curtain rods. We finally put up curtains. I think I showed those in a video sort of recently, but I'll give you guys a little overview of those. And the curtain rods are Amazon, curtains are IKEA, but I'm going to try to have everything linked down below because I feel like I've taken a lot of time to really figure out exactly what I loved and what's a really good price. I feel like I've gotten some pretty good deals on this stuff, especially the curtain rods. Like, those were an amazing deal. Table, like I said, is West Elm, but I've showed this in a few videos by now. Chairs, love these chairs so much. I feel like they're just kind of like minimalist and modern, so I love those. Just yesterday we finally got our new light fixture up. Oh my word, I love it so much. I feel like it's so cool. There was one from Restoration Hardware that's like $5,000 that I've wanted for, I don't know, probably a couple years now. This was very, very affordable and very similar to that look. So definitely not even close to $5,000, but I'll have it linked down below. I'll show you guys what it looks like when I turn it on. Hopefully you can tell in the camera. So it's on a dimmer. It's like really, really pretty. I love all like the glass globes. So I think it's really cool. I also ended up moving my larger fiddle leaf tree in here. This is a real tree. This tree is doing really, really well, and I'm super proud of it. And then I get questions about this little planter a lot. This is from TJ Maxx. It's just super good deals, like $29.99. Most of the time these can be like close to even $100 if you go to like West Elm or anything like that. So this wall right here, I feel like something needs to go on this wall. If you guys saw my last home goods video, I'd gotten like these little rattan, sort of like basket-like things that I thought, oh, these might look really cool on the wall. And then I brought them home and I'm like, it just doesn't really go with the room. I think I'm just very confused because I like so many different styles that now I'm like mixing too many things. So I think I just need to keep this room like minimalist and a little more modern. I gotta find something simple, but I'd like to find something with a little bit of color. I'm thinking like a wood frame, like maybe 2 wood frames or something with some sort of color in it. I don't know what that artwork is going to be yet. I've looked a lot online and I feel like I haven't really found anything yet, but that's what I'm looking for. If you guys have any other ideas for me for this room, not changing anything in here, like I like the way all this stuff is, but anything you think I should add, let me know. This is the formal living room. We also added like new curtain rods, curtains in here, same ones from IKEA. If you guys don't have an IKEA near you or you don't want to order them online, I did see some really similar to these that looked like really nice quality at Target, so I'll leave those linked down below too. But then I just have a couple plants here for now. I was actually thinking about doing like a plant tour or something because I'm getting quite a big collection now. But I get so many questions about this, and this is from Home Goods. I think it was probably like 30 bucks. I got this in a bigger one and a shorter one, which I have upstairs. And then if you come down here, you can see this little basket right here that I have this small fiddle leaf in. And this basket is also from Home Goods. I think it's so cute. It's Tommy Bahama, I believe. So as you come this way, this is our front door. You guys, if you've been keeping up on this, you've probably seen a lot of my house tours, so you probably kind of know the way my house is set up now. But this is our entryway. I've showed this before. This little mirror from Hobby Lobby, this from Target. And then I ended up just putting a little snake plant here in my Target planter. Love this rug from Overstock. But the biggest and newest update to this area are these lights up here. These are from West Elm, and I love them so much. I feel like they completely updated this hallway, and I just love it now. Like, I'm obsessed with it. I feel like this hallway is totally complete. So I love these lights. I'll leave these linked down below. I also got the light bulbs from West Elm too. So I just love them. I'll show them on as well. So this room, the kitchen, has been probably the longest process, but the room that I am like the most excited about and the happiest with. So we originally ripped out all the cabinets that were in here. If I have a before, I'll insert the before, but we added all new cabinets. We finally got our hardware on, and I want to show you guys the hardware. So this hardware is what I ended up picking. I ended up going with something a little bit different than I think I even showed in the video, the last video where I was talking about it. But these are from Schoolhouse. I love them because they're round, but they're still really modern because they're flat on the top. And then for the pulls for all the drawers, we just kind of did like a basic sleek pull. So I really like those. So we did those on all the drawers. All the doors have the knobs. And then you guys can probably tell we finally got our new backsplash in. I love it so much. I'll move some of the stuff, you guys can actually see it. It's so pretty. We did the same kind of pattern as we did as our fireplace, which I'll show you guys the fireplace tile in just a second. But it's really simple. It's white. Like, I always love the way subway tile looks, but I kind of wanted to have just like a little bit of a different shape. So I feel like this is really plain and neutral, but it still gives it a little something special. So I love that. And then something really cool that I love was this. I actually got from CB2. It's this really cool planter. They were doing a sale, and a lot of their planters are more expensive, but they were doing a sale, and I got this one for a pretty good price. I just think it's really cool, really unique, and I just have a little snake plant in there, so we'll see how that does here. Oh, our pendant light. This is new. I don't know if you can see it with the light on, but I love it because it has a little bit of gold, but I love the little pop of black. I feel like it just kind of breaks things up in here a little bit. So I love this light so much. We just had this installed yesterday as well, and I just think it's so cool, and it like totally completes the kitchen. We also changed out this flush mount light right here. In my last home updates video, I was telling you guys I kind of wanted to get rid of like the boob light, which I think they're called. So this is what I found from CB2, and then we also put another one like in this little breakfast nook area over here. And there was a chandelier here before, so this just looks so much better. Last update to the kitchen area are these new stools that I am obsessed with. Look at these stools. I knew I wanted something that had a little bit of a back on it, but I didn't want anything like too tall that went above the countertop, because I love this countertop, and it is a smaller kitchen, so I just didn't want it to be like super overwhelming. And then I love the black. I love like the warmth that this adds to the room. I just feel like it needed a little something to break up all the white. So I love these. I feel like they're super modern. They're actually really comfortable. I saw something like this at West Elm that I was really wanting. They were really expensive. I ended up finding these from Target, and they were a super good deal. They actually came in a 2-pack, so I have 4 of them, but only 3 really fit here really well. But they were super good price. And this you would think is real leather. It's not, which I'm happy about, because then you can just wipe it down super easily. But I love these stools so much. Joshua loves them. Now over here, this whole area is kind of open, so you really could have done like a little table here, like a little breakfast nook. But because we have the stools and everything, I just felt like it would be too cramped, and we really didn't need more seating. We decided to do these floating shelves here. Now, we just put these up the other day, so I don't really have them decorated exactly how I want. I just basically threw up on the shelves because I was so excited. Like, I just put so much stuff up there, so I'm probably going to be redecorating this, but this is just everything that I have up here right now. A lot of plants, as you can see, and these are my little wood elements. I showed this in my home goods haul. I didn't even know what it was. These are from Walmart, little recipe box. These are from Target. Like, years ago, like probably when we first got married or before we even got married. I showed this in an IKEA haul recently. Oh, this is from TJ Maxx recently, this little planter. I love that. And then this little guy, he's from Target. He's super cute. Yeah, these floating shelves, these I think I got from Overstock, but I feel like they're really nice. I didn't do wood floating shelves just because, I don't know, I did a wood floating shelf by the entryway, and I don't know, I just thought white looked nice. I really, really like the way it turned out. So that is my floating shelf area, and I'll probably be like changing things out on these shelves like all the time. I also love that we did them like kind of off center from each other. That was my mom's idea. Originally I was going to do them like right underneath each other and just make everything super symmetrical, but because there's not like a ton of space walking through here, like we didn't want the shelves to be right in everybody's way, so I kind of like having them off center. I think it's kind of fun, and then I can have this really cool tall plant here. So that was my mom's idea, so thankfully she was here when we were putting these up. And then I'll show you guys our fireplace tile really quick. That is the last update I believe I have for you guys. Here is our fireplace tile. It's like the same exact shape as our kitchen backsplash tile, except it's just black and bigger. I love it so much. I think it looks so cool. So as you guys can see, we still have a lot of work to do with this fireplace over here. We still have to put our bookshelves up and get a mantle and everything. We're eventually going to mount the TV above the fireplace. I know some people are like totally against that, but we're just gonna do it. But yeah, the bookshelves are gonna be all white, but at least we finally got the tile done. If you guys saw this before, we had like brown mantle and kind of like an orangey colored tile. If I have a picture of it, I will insert that, but I just think this is going to be so pretty and so updated when it's finally done. We also got some new outdoor furniture, which I'm going to be doing a whole like patio update video really soon because we still have a couple more things that have to get put together. We're gonna get a rug to go out there. We wanna put up some like lights and everything, but it's really coming together well. I'm really excited to show you guys all that stuff out there, but that will be saved for another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this home haul and updates video. Let me know if you guys have any ideas or suggestions for me. I love reading your comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you're new, or if you just haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the bell too. That way you'll be notified every single time I post a video. So I hope you guys are having an amazing week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you really soon in my next video.